So let me get it right. Hello Kitty comes over to the taco and they become friends? Yes, you got it right, Anya. Okay, let's play. Oh, hi. Do you want to be friends? Sure. Girls, look at your room. But we wanted to play. We'll clean it up later. Get back on the shelf, Owl. Girls, you have so many toys. Look at this. Even the kitchen's overrun with them. See? Even my bedroom? What? Let me check in the living room. Even the living room? Girls, you have too many toys. Fine, we'll get rid of some of them. Girls, you can keep the erasers. Yay. You can keep the toys that you really need. Okay, let's put away these erasers in the bin. Girls, and look, you even have a basket of toys way back there. See, girls, you have so much toys. Your mom's right. Fine, we'll clean up. Let's get the rest of the erasers. I think it's time we did a yard sale. What's that? Oh, a yard sale is where you put boxes in your yard and you start selling things. Oh, well, that's cool. But can we do it tomorrow? Whoa. Please, Mommy. We want to play a bit more today. Fine. Just get these erasers cleaned up. Okay. Here we go. We'll also go check if there are any erasers in your bedroom. There's so many Christmas ones. Guys, are you almost excited for Christmas? Christmas is almost here. My favorite animal, an owl. And my other favorite animal is a dog. I mean a puppy. A puppy is my other favorite animal. That penguin is cute. The reef, polar bear, and moose. Let's check if there are any more left. No, there's none more left in our bedroom. Come on, let's go check here. Whoa. No. But we really want to keep our koala toys. See? There's some way back there and some right here. Can we please keep them, Daddy? Fine. But just because you play with them. Yay. Okay, we have the erasers. Now let's put them back in our bedroom. Okay. Or no, I mean like in the garage. Our car is too huge to even fit in the garage. So the garage is like an extra play area. And if we want privacy, we just put that down. But they can still see us through these holes and through here. Can someone help me lift it up? I'll help you, Alcia. Thanks. Wait. And it's also like a relaxing. And look, it can also be like an extra diving board, like from the eating table to here. Oh, Alcia. Okay, well, I don't really... Let's just choose a Shopkin that we really want. Yes, great idea. I'll take out these toys too. Okay, and Hello Kitty. Yeah, we like her. Let's keep her. There's more erasers. What? They can stay in the basket. How did more erasers get in there, though? We don't really play with this fridge that much, right? Yeah, I'll get the container. Great job, girl. I can see that you're putting him away. We don't really play with Flounder anymore. Look, he has a boo-boo on his nose. That red thing, it's a boo-boo. Well, we don't play with those. Can we, like, do that? Maybe move Flounder there. Squeeze in the fridge. Maybe the other way? No, I meant like that. Come on, Flounder's fin. Yeah. I think it worked a bit. It's okay. Now it should. Yeah, no, it's good. still good in there. And I really like all of our Shopkins. Can we please keep all of our Shopkins? Except for the hamburger one. She looks fat. Yeah. And Taco looks really... Actually, no. We want to take it back. Yeah, please, can we keep them? Fine, girls, but choose a Shopkin that you'll play with every day. This one will be for mine. I'll set her... The peach! I forgot we had the peach. This is my most favorite absolute Shopkin. I actually want this one. Okay, and then I'll have the sugar. Okay, Anya. Put the sugar in carefully. There. And the rest will go in the toy bin. Let's put it back. Toy bin's back there. Good job, girls. Oh, and I see our unicorn toys. Yeah, our unicorn toys that Daddy got us for the slime surprise. Nay. I'll put one. Wait, we forgot. We completely forgot about those toys on the shelf. We have my car and Elsia's unicorn. Whoa, let's put back the unicorns. We even have a toy car. See that? That toy car back there? It's for our dolls. It's actually for our dolls, but we can fit in it. Okay, well, let's close this up. There. Okay, so now let's go in the living room. Okay, we have a bunch of toys here still. Okay, girls. Okay, we have a Littlest Pet Shop dragonfly that we don't really play with. Let's put it over here by the basket. And we don't really play with Hatchimals. So let's just put these away. Oh wait, but can we keep this translucent dragon? He's so cute. Yes, girls. And the necklace, nah. Let's put it away. And whoa, there's so many sheets up there. Look at all of those sheets. Wow. I'm on the case. Whoa, I'm starting to fall. I am on the case as always. And we need to put away these sheets. So there we have 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Whoa, no. Oh my God. 5, 6, 7, and the whole thing is 8 and 9. Okay, I'll go put this away. Where should I put it? Over there. Okay, secret storage. It's like a little storage or something. It looks like a pancake, actually. Anything in the bathroom? I suppose not. We can see ourselves, though. And here's the other garage. Here's the side of the garage. Oh, well. Oh, well, girls. We are actually going to this resort that you have to have a, like a floaty or something. It's like a carnival of hard floaties. So we have to go to the store to get one. Oh, yay. Should we go now? Yep, let's just lift the door up. Because I don't really like it like that. I like seeing all of our toys. Daddy, are you coming? No, we'll just put those things to sale since we don't really have a yard. Okay, let's get in the car. There it is. I'll get in the driver's seat because I'm the biggest one in here. Hop in, girls. Of course we will, and we'll go in the top. Whatever. I really wanted to go in this thing, but whatever. We're still in the top. We're going and we're spinning as the car goes.